I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech Korean. Today's we'll try to test the PUBG game latency test in this Duo Pods from the Miivi. As you can see, friends, this is a brand which I recently ordered. And previously I did plenty of videos on this particular earbuds regarding the battery life, how many hours you can actually use. Just type in the YouTube Miivi SciTech Guru, you will get all my videos which I uploaded on this product. So there is a PUBG latency test which I did on this earbuds. And one thing I got the feedback from all of the viewers is that try to keep the mic close to this kind of earbuds, so then only you'll be able to listen to the latency of it's going. So that is what I get plenty of feedback. So that is what I'm going to do in this video, friends. I'll try to play the PUBG game and I'll try to keep the mic close to this earbuds, so you will be able to hear how much the latency difference is. So right now let me try to connect to this Miivi DuoPods at this point. So right now they are going to pair. As you can see, friends, I'm trying to pair in front of you only, and the Miivi DuoPods got successfully paired at this point. Let me try to go back to the PUBG game and try to open the PUBG game. And one more thing is that I'll even try to test the DuoPods in terms of the sound quality in another video, and even the charging case as well. There's a couple of issues with the charging case. Some people, they're unable to figure out whether it's charging or not, whether it's full charge or not. So I'll try to make another video on that particular topic, so stay tuned for that video. So first let me try to quickly start the match and start playing. So I'm just playing any match, friends, not particular thing. So I'm just trying to play the team death match for the time's sake. So let's see. So I'm trying to increase the volume as well. I'm trying to keep as much as loud as possible, so you can actually feel the difference. So now it's to the maximum 100% volume, and let me try to bring the mic close to the earbud, so you might be able to hear the difference. So what is happening? So let me try to keep the phone there, and let me try to bring the mic. So right now the mic is kind of close to 4 earbuds, as you can see, friends, clearly. So I'm not sure whether you will be able to understand or not, but I'm trying to do my best, so as suggested by a lot of viewers. So let me try to do it again. So it's really hard to play like this, but I'm just trying to focus only on the latency test, not for the gaming purpose. So let me try to start. So I'm trying to jump right now, so that you might be able to hear my jumping sound or not. So that is what I'm trying to check. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case you felt the best or worst with this headset quality. In case if you want me to do any other testing, so make sure to comment. So I'm not sure how the latency is, so make sure to comment in case if you felt the best as well. So different friends. So for me it looks kind of alright, but not much.
Cover me. Nice shot. Clear. Reloading. Expired. Enemy down.
Killing spree for the blue team!
Great. You're about to win.
The red team doesn't have a lot of time left.
So even I'm trying to play the normal match as well. So let me try to quickly show you the jumping sounds. So during my experience, I did feel the sound quality a little bit kind of less, but definitely friends, I did like the battery backup. As I said, the battery backup is really good and great in this small duopods. So considering the small size, but still it's did work really good and great. So let me try to quickly drop down and let me try to start running and walking, and you might be able to hear the sound. So how it's going on. So I'm trying to play with the full volume at this point. So in case if you want me to cover any other game, so definitely friends, I'll try to do my best to post a video as soon as possible. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about these earbuds. And thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.